Previously on Duct Tapers Anonymous.
I don't usually complain that much, right? I need to share and vent a little. Weiser's Powerbolt 1 Keyless Entry Touchpad Deadbolt. One of the numbers just doesn't work. Number 3 is non-responsive. Ping pong balls, salad toss, safety. Don't buy this. Mr. Ham Solo has suggested that I open up Weiser's Powerbolt 1 to see what the problem is with that faulty button. So I've started doing this very gently. I'm gonna flip this around to let you have a look. That's decent. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Yeah, because of course, gently, gingerly, because I'm returning this to the store in a couple of days, right? I was hoping, yes, hoping to find something a bit more mechanical, something I could easily point to as a culprit. Instead, there are these printed circuit contacts which are closed when the silicone rubber buttons are pushed in. Of course, silicone rubber is non-conductive, so the rigid portion of these rubber buttons are called carbon-impregnated silicone pills, which are vulcanized into the rubber keypads during compression molding. There are two main types of carbon pills, smooth matte and these textured carbon pills, and they both serve the same purpose. Okay, let's start this up. I've done a couple of little tests, I guess you could say. One is bypassing the carbon pill button and closing the circuit this way. Works well, perfectly, I guess. Carbon pills have electrical resistance, which can be customized based on the electronic component's needs. A general carbon pill can be around 20 to 100 ohms. A low resistance contact pill can be up to 10 ohms or even 200 ohms with 10 grams loading. Of course. How silly of me. Okay, back to stupid. Anyway, this is a problem, and possibly it's intermittent, and all I know is that this lock is really unreliable. From the reviews I've read, people have been locked out of their homes, their garages, or worse, their stash of wine on a Friday evening. Not very technical, but bad button. Oh, and also this.